Hello everyone, I'm Rylan Lindley with MarineMax here in Louisville, and today I'm going to walk you through a brand new Harris Sunliner. This boat is 25 feet long and it has the new 200 Mercury Verado V6 on the back and outstanding outboard. And so right here on the front, on this is a single lounger layout, and so you'll notice that you do have the wraparound seating right here in the bow. Both of these seats will have a flip down armrest, which is just something that comes with the Sunliner series. Makes for great loungers to lay out in the front. Something that I really like that Harris does is they have these recessed cup holders. So really easy access. You have a little spot back here to put your phone. These will illuminate with blue LEDs and just gives a really cool feel to the boat. So coming in to the storage compartment, you'll notice that Harris does this dual hinge system that flips the seat down and out, lowers it a little bit so it's all hands-free storage getting inside. Harris does have these waterways, so if you've been swimming and water gets down, that's going to go off the side of the pontoon, keeping your storage really completely dry. So really amazing rotocast that Harris has. Walking through to the center, you will have in-floor storage, and that does go down within the center tune. A lot of storage down in there, great for skis, poles, anything that you really need in there. So walking towards the back, like I said before, this is the single lounger layout. So really long bench seat right here to your port side. This will wrap around, and what's so cool about this is you do have this flip-flop seating, so your backrest flips over, creating a huge sun lounger to hang out. It's a nice observer seat if you have some people tubing or some water sports with your stainless steel ski tow bar. What Harris does that's really awesome is they have these safety rails, and as long as these chains are up and engaged, that legally binds everybody back here, so you can sit back here while the boat's underway. Makes for a really neat design. Not only that, but you have a huge storage compartment right here on the back. So as you can see, this is everything that us as MarineMax gives you with the boat, just a couple life jackets and such things. But great spot for all your wet items that you don't want to drag back into the boat. New V6 200 horsepower outboard, outstanding, doesn't lose any power on your turns, and you do have a very, very deep 4-step stainless steel telescopic ladder with a wide base handle, so it makes it very easy to get in and out of the boat. So walking here to the Helm station, Sunliner series is beautiful with the wood grain. We do order our boats with the Simrad Go 5 unit. That'll give you a full chart plotter, fish finder, everything like that. You also do have your Polk audio system. That'll give you Bluetooth, USB auxiliary inputs. Really nice gauge cluster with the GPS activated speedometer. And then with the 200 and up, you do get all digital throttle and shifting. And so that's all push to start. Do get the active trim. And so that does all of your trim and tilt for you now. Really fantastic feature. Guys, so thank you so much for walking through. Please come into our MarineMax store in Louisville. Give us a call on our website and we'll be glad to assist you guys. So like I said, my name is Rylan Lindley, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch today.